Hi, I'm Dr. Thompson, and I will be your instructor for Occupational Therapy Research class, OTS 880. Welcome to the Occupational Therapy program for our new MS1s or any of our online OTD students who are new. Let's see. There we go. So this is an all online class using Blackboard. We will be using VoiceThreads, discussion board, which will be blogs, wikis for your group discussion, for your group projects rather. If you're having trouble with Blackboard, there is a help tab, or you can call Information Technology at EKU. There are weekly assignments, which will all be open to you from the beginning of class. So some of the assignments are to be done as a group and cannot be done ahead unless the whole group agrees to that. If it's an individual assignment, feel free to work ahead if you're comfortable with that. The online discussions, however, must be done within the week, and they're meant for peer feedback, so you do not want to work ahead on the online discussions. The week begins on Monday in the morning and ends on Sunday at midnight. Most assignments will be due the following Tuesday at 12 noon, but when assignments are due will be posted each week. So, for example, an assignment in week 1 is due Tuesday at 12 noon of week 2. Each week has assigned readings. Some are from your Taylor book on research. Some are posted, or, linked within this Blackboard. Each week usually will have an online discussion and/or a voice thread and/or a wiki blog with specific dates for posting. Assignments will have deadlines for submission. Within the Blackboard, I try to keep those deadlines without dates because I pull this forward every year and that just gets confusing. If you see a date, it's probably something left over from a previous year. So I try to put the day of the week and the week it is due. Virtual Office. So you want to post any course-related questions in the Virtual Office. There is a link on the left-hand side of the Blackboard there for Virtual Office. You can email me directly, but it's usually better not to unless it's something personal. I do check the Virtual Office regularly, and I also have subscribed to Virtual Office, which sends me alerts of your postings in real time. So you're going to want to subscribe to Virtual Office as well. You're going to have to subscribe for each week separately. You can do it all at the beginning, though. I will have an in-person office hour on Zoom. An invitation will be sent to you via email each week from 8 to 9 p.m. on Wednesdays. This is not something you're required to attend. This is something for your benefit because I think some students feel more comfortable having an actual personal discussion about something. I will check Virtual Office on Saturday mornings and Sundays later in the day. And honestly, I just check my email frequently. So if you are subscribed to I'm subscribed to Virtual Office. So I will get notifications from Virtual Office if you post something in there any time of the day or night. On Virtual Office, don't be afraid to jump in and answer a question if you know the answer. Part of the point of having Virtual Office is so that you all can help each other. So if I see that someone has a correct answer, then I will confirm that, and or maybe not even get involved in the discussion. But if there is a problem with the answers, then I'll let you know. So this takes the place of traditional conversation that would occur in a face-to-face classroom where students can help each other. Again, you want to subscribe to Virtual Office for each week to get email updates about when a new question or comment or response is posted. In closing, I am your instructor for this class. If there's something you don't understand about the course or the assignments, or you're having any problem obtaining course materials, please don't hesitate to ask for help. I really am looking forward to this semester. I really enjoy research, and I look forward to sharing that with all of you.